Hi guys, this is Matt from howtosignup4webhosting.com. Today I just wanted to make a quick video on the difference between WordPress.org and WordPress.com. If you've used either of those, you may understand it and it may seem simple, but if you're just starting out, it can be kind of confusing as to what it is. So I just want to make a quick video kind of explain that. The big difference and the key difference is, one, you can actually create a website right on the site, and the other is just software. Okay, it's just software that you could use to make a website somewhere else. Okay, WordPress.org is software. That means that you can download, and I've pulled up the website here, you can download WordPress, the software, onto your computer. So if we just click download and download WordPress 3.5, as you can see down here, it's actually downloaded onto my computer so that I can upload it to a web server somewhere on hosting, whether I host with HostGator or or GoDaddy or whoever. I can log in to my FTP, or I can either use their system to install it. But you putting that software from this website, WordPress.org, onto another server, and it's a separate domain. So if I wanted to use a WordPress.org, create a blog using that, then I would have to have matt.com, and I would have to get my own hosting, and I would have to upload this software to that server and then go from there and use it. The other option, and it's an easier option but it's a more restrictive option, is to go with WordPress.com. WordPress.com, it uses the same software, but what they do is they offer for free for them to set it up for you, to give you your own blog or own website. They tell you choose your login, your password, all that, and then you can go from there, and you can start adding content, you can start changing the design, you can do everything. And it's really easy. You never have to download anything, you never have to upload anything, you never have to configure anything. But the big restriction is that, one is that if I were to create a blog, it may be matt.wordpress.com, okay, which I'm sure it's taken, but just as an example. So you will be sharing that WordPress.com domain with the millions of other people who use the site. So that may be a turnoff for some, because instead of having my blog is cool.com, you have to have my blog is cool.wordpress.com. So it's more to type out. It's not as personalized, and there's a host of other things that are restricted when you use WordPress.com. But I won't get into those. But that's the main difference. Is that one's a software, WordPress.org, and one is actually a website that it still uses the WordPress software. So it's the same software, but they set it up for you, and it's all done and ready for you to go. So you don't have to mess with any of the uploading or downloading. Okay. I always recommend going WordPress.org and starting your own site. It's a little bit more tedious. It's hard work, and it's kind of confusing, and it'll take you a lot more time to figure it out. But it can also be a lot more rewarding, and it allows you to do a lot more. So anyway, that's kind of my breakdown. I hope you guys it clears it up for you. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in a comment, and I'll answer them. But anyway, this is Matt from howtosignup4webhosting.com signing off. Thanks.